Hello, I'm Jonavart here in Brussels. I'm at the sauna and let me grab this opportunity to have an Ilonggo tutorial involving heat or init in Ilonggo. So when you're in the sauna and having this heat treatment or init, so we call this painit. There is no such thing as sauna in the Ilonggo word, so we don't have a word for sauna as well. So we just call it sauna or sauna. Still from the word sauna. Parang mag-healthy or para sa aton ikaayong lawas for good health. Painit-init kita sa sauna. Painit-init. Sort of a heat treatment because init means heat. And to pour water over is to ula. Ula means to pour. If it's hot water, pouring hot water, it's lapwa. But just pouring any kind of temperature is simply ula. Oops, ginpatyan ako suga. They turned off the light, so time's up. They're closing at 11 actually, so they turned off the light and I believe the heat. In Ilonggo, it means gin patchan suga. Patchan actually is to kill the light. And so it's time for me to get out of here. Jonavart. See you in our next video from Brussels. Bye for now.